Welcome to Brennan's Toy Shop. Today we're doing a taste test of Bretons crackers. These are the 3 crackers we are gonna be taste testing today.
So original,
sour cream and onion, and veggie.
Okay. We're doing this one first.
Okay. We're gonna do Breton first. Original first.
Is it good?
It's fine, but it's not like my favorite cracker. Which Breton crackers are my favorite? Like, different kinds are my favorite. This is not the kind that's my favorite.
Okay, let's do this one next.
Now we're on to the veggie one.
Are they better?
They're better than the original, but I still have to try the next, and then I'll put them in line. The boxes in line. Now I'm trying popped.
Show them what it looks like. Okay.
Not the worst, but not the best cracker in the world.
Okay, which one was your first favorite and which one was your last favorite?
First favorite, last favorite out of these 3. And then this I liked, but it's not like my favorite or my least favorite out of these 3.
Would you recommend for people to buy these crackers?
Yes, I would recommend for you to buy any of these crackers because they're all tasty, but some are just tastier than others. You might have different favorites than me. You might like this kind, but not this kind. You might like this kind, but not this kind. Thank you for watching this show. Bye. See you at the next Brennan's Toy Shop. Bye, everybody.